Patty. Good morning. It's poppin'. It's poppin' live stream. It's poppin' Fatty.
Kiki, my friend.
Good morning.
Take my coffee. I'm be back in 5 minutes. Yes.
Alright. I'm gonna mark up the charts, alright?
Okay, bro.
Alright. Good morning YouTube. We're back pre-London session. Let's see what the market can do for us today. First I'm gonna start up marking up my charts. Started at the daily time frame. Not really much to mark up, so went down to the 4 hour. I found these two levels, which are significant for now. I'm going back to 30-minute time frame. Adjust these levels like I always do. Sorry if I sound a little off. It's 6 o'clock in the morning where I'm from. So yeah, it's pretty damn early. But you know, that's life. That's what you want to do, right? You want to trade. This is what you want to do. Found some kind of resistance over here. But not really something I want to mark up. To be honest, GBP USD is a little not looking too beautiful right now. Could mark up this area over here. Yeah, this could very well be a resistance area, but with all this traffic on the left, it's just better not to trade it. Even though we get a breakout, it's much safer to trade the breakout over here, or maybe even over here. But I prefer to keep it a little bit safer. But for me, GBP USD, yeah, not looking too good. It does look good on a daily time frame. We are trading above yesterday's close, but still not a lot of movement. So yeah, we could see something like this happen for this week. And if you trade, if you get caught up in trades and movements like this, yeah, probability you losing the trades are a lot higher. So definitely don't want to trade in these kind of conditions. So it's looking to create something like this. So let's just wait and see. But for now, yeah, no real clear areas for me to enter a trade. This was a good trading area. We have a good zone that has been created. Did get the breakout. That was yeah, it was yesterday, I think. Yeah, it was yesterday. But the breakout happened after my trading hours. So yeah, I couldn't trade that. And for the pre-London, pre-New York session, we were over here. So that wasn't a trade for me as well. This is where yeah, over here, this is where I stopped trading. So yeah, let's go to the GBP GPY. As you can see, I cleaned all my charts, so I can make some fresh analysis. uh, yeah, so GBP GPY ended up breaking to the upside yesterday. Also didn't happen while I was trading, but it is nice to see that we do have direction in the market for GBP GPY, which is up. It's an uptrend. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, so this level I had marked up yesterday as well. I think for now it's better to delete it and only mark up this area on the 4 hour time frame, because it's definitely an area of interest on the lower time frame. So yeah, we'll keep a close eye on that. Yeah, so that's it for the 4 hour time frame. Let's go to the 30 minutes. So I don't use the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, on the 30-minute during Asian session we had this breakout, which would have been an impulsive entry. An impulsive entry because we didn't get a retest, at least not on the 30-minute time frame, and not on the 15-minute time frame as well. So a nice breakout happened during Asian session. Let's see what will happen pre-London session. Yeah, I'm gonna just anticipate on that. Let me just adjust this area over here. Yeah, so I definitely see GBP GPY continuing to the upside at the beginning of this live stream, at least. So let's see if price can reach this level and how it reacts, and maybe we can trade the breakout of that level. So let it create a resistance first and some kind of support, and then we can trade that breakout. Let's go over to the Euro GPY. So I guess Japanese yen did lose some strength this night, maybe because some news event happened that I don't know about. Not really looking in that in the news. It's always good to know if news is coming out, but so you can avoid trading that pair. But I haven't looked at it, so because I don't trade Asian session. So on the 4 hour time frame, yeah, we do have these levels, which are pretty close to each other. I should say this level is more important than this one, so we could mark this one up, but we also have this daily level. So it's kind of the same thing with GJ. Never look to mark up too many zones. Yeah, so let's just go on to the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, this is the 30-minute time frame. You can see we broke out of this resistance zone pretty strongly. Yeah, I made a move to the upside. This zone was broken as well. Yeah, this happened yesterday during New York session. Yeah, so higher highs, higher lows, beautiful breakout to the upside. Maybe we get a retest to continue to the upside. But for me, I want to form a range, a little range, and then trade that breakout. So let's see. But yeah, not really much happening on Euro GPY as well, because we already had a move during Asian session. So I'm not gonna mark up these zones. It is pretty significant, but I'm looking on the smaller time frames to create an area, and I don't want to look this far back, especially on a 4 hour time frame. If we were on the 30-minute time frame, let's say we were trading somewhere over here, you mark up these areas. You mark up these areas as a support and resistance area for the breakout. but this is too far back. And on a smaller time frame, to trade a breakout, you don't need to go back that far. So yeah, this is your JPY, also in a nice uptrend. Let's continue to Euro NCD. Okay, Euro NCD, let me see. So Euro NCD on a daily time frame. Okay, also pretty chaotic. Not really a direction. Uptrend over here was very. It was a tough uptrend with a lot of downward pressures, a lot of wicks, wicks to the downside, wicks to the upside. Now we have this shit over here. So on a daily time frame, there's nothing for me. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, sometimes this happens, man. The pairs you trade aren't looking too good. Last week everything went perfect. Everything set it up nicely, just the way I like it, the way I trade. And now this week, so far, we don't have real good structure, and that will make it hard for you, for me at least, to take positions in the market. But we have to wait for the pairs to line up, to make the structure you want to see, so we are able to trade based off of that structure. Let me see. Yeah. So maybe price is starting to form some kind of support over here. Maybe we get a bounce back to the upside. Let's mark up this area because this is area of resistance. Yeah. This is in conjunction with this area over here, so yeah, we could mark this up. But for now, this isn't really a zone, because we do need to get a bounce for it to be a zone, a support zone. So I want to see a bounce to the upside, maybe find some resistance over here, come back down, you know, whatever, and then break. Same story to the upside, so either way. But I need to have a support zone created, something like this, like a double bottom, preferably without the wick. But yeah. So that's your. Hey, just marking up the zones. Good morning. How you doing, brother?
Fine, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. It's early, man.
And I'm still sleepy, man.
Yeah, me too. I did went to bed early yesterday, man. Like 9:30. I fell asleep on the couch with my son. But yeah, I woke up like hour and a half ago. No, like 2 hours ago. Had my coffee, did my thing. But yeah, still waking up, man. Still waking up.
Too.
Okay, let's go to German 30. Going to the daily time frame again.
Charts are looking.
It's not looking good, bro. I don't like the structure.
I have seen last night that GJ and EJ that they
Yeah, yeah, I saw this.
have moved last night. I
Yeah, during Asian session. If you look, yeah, let's go over them in a while, in a second. Let me do my markup first. But you're correct. I did saw the same thing. We did get a break on those two pairs, so I guess there was some kind of fundamental news during Asian session, something like that. GPY did lose some strength, which made Euro GPY and GBP GPY break out to the upside. So,
seen it.
but yeah, it's not okay. So we do have some structure over here. So this is German 30. Yeah. Would be nice to see a breakout to the upside, like yesterday. when we had this breakout over here, which was a pretty aggressive breakout. So for an impulsive move, it was great. Not saying if we get a breakout over here, we're gonna get another impulsive move to the upside, but yeah, with German 30, you never know. And if you want to trade a impulsive entry, German 30 is the best pair to do that. Yeah, so for me, German 30 has this zone over here. We could mark up this zone as well as a zone, area of support, but we need to consider this support zone. So if price breaks out to the downside, we could see a bounce over here, but if price decides to continue breaking to the downside, yeah, German 30 could make a really nice move. Yeah, but this area is pretty significant, so expect some reaction. If price breaks down to the downside, you could expect reaction over here, but it could continue after that. Let's mark up this area over here in case we do break to the upside. Yeah, so this is German 30 for me. Yeah, I like this structure over here in German 30.
Nice.
If I compare it to the other pairs I trade, this is definitely looking best structure-wise. Not saying this is the best pair to trade today, but it does look good. So this is GBP USD. Yeah, the motherfucker that took us out yesterday. Sure you remember, right?
Yes, bro.
Yeah. So this is what I see.
It was a little bit in an uptrend. I have seen the chart and a little bit more in an uptrend there. You need to make a pullback upside.
Yeah. So what I see on the daily time frame and on a 4-hour time frame, we're definitely in a downtrend, but we did find support over here. So, but we're still in a downtrend unless we break this area to the upside. We could have a change of direction. So look into the 4-hour also. Yeah. So for me also a downtrend, going back over here. So definitely for me, definitely a downtrend. Unless we break this area over here, we could see price make a new higher high and higher lows, but we need to see a break of this structure. So for me so far it's a little bit undecisive on the lower time frames. Yeah, this is a big zone over here, as you can see. Top of the zone, bottom of the zone on the 30-minute time frame, and now we're trading inside the zone. So it's pretty, yeah, you have to be careful taking a position on GBP USD. I don't like the structure that much. It's a lot of indecisiveness over here. You want to see something like this, all right? So you have a clear area of resistance, clear area of support, so you know exactly where the breakout could occur. But over here it's not. Yeah, you tell me where you can trade, take a trade. You know, maybe this for me is
middle at the range.
yeah. The only trade I see is trade to the upside over here and trade to the downside over here. But yeah, let's see what price does. This is yeah, 20 pip move to the next, at least to this zone. But we still have this area over here, which could fuck up the trade if you enter a buy position. So let's see. Yeah, GBP, GPY, like I told, you know, we did break out during ASIN session, which was yeah, the time I woke up 2 hours ago. Yeah, nothing you could do about that. It's not our session, so yeah. Euro JPY, same stuff. Should be yeah, also 430. Also break to the upside, you know. But it did create beautiful structure to the upside, so looks good. Okay, Euro NCD now breaking. Yeah, not really a significant area for me because it didn't really form some support. Only this candlestick. Yeah, I'm not really sure what's happening with NCD. NCD looks like it's getting stronger. Yeah. This is gold. Hey,
Go.
did you look at your phone? Look at your account.
One, bro.
The new one.
Wait, man.
Hmm?
Seen it. The
History.
history 244.
Mm.
New account.
What?
My new
Yeah,
account.
yeah.
Yeah.
Happened like few hours ago.
3 hours ago.
Yeah, like 2:15. Uh, yeah.
Good job. Good job of him.
What?
Good job.
Your mic, man. I cannot hear you.
No, bro. Why today? Yes. Why new mic?
Yeah, ordered that motherfucker, man.
No, after this session, I will go to the hit.
All right.
Nice.
Very nice. I like sexy time. I like a sexy time.
Borat.
Borat, yeah.
Yeah, Borat.
Borat.
Yo, bro. We will make still consolidation and break upside the EJ and the GJ.
Yeah, it did make the
Man,
breakout, man.
you get a little bit zone there, and you make a little bit pullback of it.
Where?
Yeah, the big candle, and now he creates a little zone
Yeah, but
above.
it's too little for me, man.
Need to wait what he does there. If he go consolidate a little bit more, going to make another breakout to the up, will be nice. We will see.
We will see, man.
Turn the music on.
Music is on, yeah. Chill vibes and relaxing music.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have 26 minutes for the 4-hour candle closure, which I always like.
For our closure is much stronger than other one. Opinion.
Yeah, the 4-hour closure is yeah, it's much stronger than the 1 hour, the 30 minutes.
They give better direction sight and Mark will do. We will see, bro.
Yeah. Let me see. Yesterday, which was GBP GPY. Where were we? Somewhere over here.
The breakout of GJ, you mean? Yeah.
Was it EJ then? I was during pre-New York. It was this kind of stick, yeah. Yesterday we did have this zone marked up, and we had this kind of closure below, but we did have this breakout. But because of this kind of closure below these ones, the trade wasn't valid. Yeah, so we left emotions. We traded without emotions and didn't mind this breakout, and as you can see, we did save money on the trade because price reversed and came back down. And knowing myself where to put the stop loss, it would definitely get hit. So yeah, rules, stick to your rules. Even though prices go in, stick to your rules.
Make a little fake out to the upside.
Yeah, at least for that moment.
Yes, yes. Break the zone. Important. If break it.
Bro, yeah. Hey, do we have Champions League today?
I think
Yeah, alright.
there's some matches today.
I think tomorrow Barcelona is gonna play Benfica, but today should be games as well, man. Let me see. Let me see what we got.
Yeah.
Man, uh, for me it's kind of hard to watch television, man. After 9 o'clock, man, my eyes they close automatically, man.
You wake every day so early.
Yeah, I know. Even in the weekends, I don't mind that, man. I like waking up early.
No problem.
Yeah, I like waking up early. It's just that if you want to watch a game or something like that, man, your body is just shutting off automatically without you even know it. You're just laying there on the couch watching TV, and before you know it, it's like 3 o'clock in the morning, uh, and you fell asleep on the couch, man. Hey, what
Uh,
channel they send the show Champions League? SBS,
it
right?
was no, RTL 7, I think.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, yeah, I got it.
Change it.
Oh, we got Ajax Besiktas. Oh, dang.
Nice.
Ajax Besiktas. But that's it starts 6:45. What the fuck?
6:45.
Yeah.
Yeah, two matches on 6:45. Uh, six of them play at 9 o'clock.
Yeah, which match you get at 9 o'clock?
Paris Saint-Germain, Manchester City. That's also be a nice one.
Ooh, yeah.
That is the clash of the biggest, bro.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
That's no
Is
place.
Messi playing over there, or is he a substitute?
No, no, Messi is playing there, but he have a little injury, I
Yeah,
guess.
that's fucked up. How much they pay for
Pretty much. I don't know.
him? Enough.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
over 100 million, right? I
That,
think.
he was finished by Barcelona. He have his time, and he need to look further for the
Man,
competition.
Barcelona is fucking up, man.
Barcelona, I think,
Yeah,
is not going well, bro, for them.
it's not fault of the trainer, in my opinion.
No, no,
It's
no.
well, he did make some mistakes by buying Memphis Depay and Luc De Jong, which are fucking horrible players.
So he have the budget anymore what Barcelona have before, That's the problem.
I know that I understand, but it's better not to
Also,
not to buy those players and save your money because they're not gonna do nothing for you, man. Especially Luke De Jong.
uh,
I can understand Depay, all right. If you have to buy one of
Young
those
is too
tools, you
old.
if you have to buy one of those tools, you buy Depay. But Luke De Jong, no man, not even for free,
Look,
man.
Luke De Jong is too old, bro. I
Yeah,
don't know where. Yeah,
he
he
does.
is a grandpa.
He doesn't fit a team like Barcelona, man. He's not made for that type of football.
Barcelona, you need to be fast mover, short passes.
Yeah, you have to. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. You
he's
have
not.
to. You have to act quick. Before you get the ball, you already know where you have to play it to. But
You know,
you cannot do that on your own, right? So you need your teammates to not to stand still, but they need to move. They need to circulate, in order for them to be for in order for them to get the ball. If you're standing still in your position, it's very easy for a defender to defend you because you're not moving. But if you keep moving, keep running, it makes it harder for a defender to stay close to you to defend you, and yeah.
yeah, I think better was for Luke De Jong to look for Tottenham or some kind
Yeah, English club.
of
Yeah, 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 yeah.
club,
Yeah. The English clubs they
Uh,
play. They shoot the ball forward. You get more headers. At goal. But Barcelona, at least Spain, it's more technical. So
Kentucky football. Well, let's
yeah,
fast football, street football.
yeah, yeah, technical.
There are also, yeah, there are also nice match today.
So who you rooting for? Besiktas?
Um, Besiktas fan because I'm fan for Galatasaray.
Mm.
Yeah, that Besiktas come from Turkey. Of course, I will be cheering for Besiktas. I see this on the chart. Ajax, yeah, if had a good day, I expect. So
I can't hear you.
I think that Ajax, if have a good day, that Ajax will chop Besiktas in half, bro.
Uh, Yesterday I was watching TV,
Yeah,
Football International,
yeah.
and they were talking about Ajax and that they are playing, really well. So yeah, maybe we could see a chop chop mode tonight.
Have they Ajax have the day? Man, they can win from Barcelona. They can win from every club.
Yeah, especially Barcelona.
Barcelona, that will much more there, bro.
Yeah. So they buy Luke De Jong,
Ajax,
they buy Memphis, they buy a lot of shit players, and they sell Messi. Or yeah, explain that to me. Messi is not the guy that put Barcelona on the map, but he did bring Barcelona to another level. Together with Xavi, together with Iniesta, together with Ronaldinho for maybe 2 years, 800. You know
also was also a great player. He was,
who?
opinion, not always.
I can't hear you. Who?
800, bro, was
Oh,
also a great
800.
player.
Yeah, he's a fucking legend, man.
Yeah, he was not always in the big picture like Messi or Ronaldinho, but he was there to finish the goal.
Yeah, he was a fucking good player, man.
That's also important. Yeah, you need to know why you need to stand it. The ball comes to you.
Yeah, you
You
have to
need
be at the right
to
place at the right moment.
yes, yes.
Yeah, definitely.
The player from Bayern München, that Lewandowski.
Yeah, he's also a fucking animal, man. God damn. That guy is like what, 30 what, 35 years old? Maybe even
Oh
older.
man, older man.
Older, yeah.
He is now last year. He played there. He's going to finish his career.
Oh, so this is his last season? Last year?
Lewandowski, Robert Lewandowski. No. He's 33, bro.
33. Oh, okay. But still.
Still not young, but he is
Yeah,
every
he's
match,
he,
every
he's 33.
33, bro.
Well, he looks older, to be honest.
I was thinking he looks like 36, 37.
Yeah,
He look
exactly.
more,
Yeah, he's got that real
always
polish,
from
that face from Poland.
I think,
Probably drinking his vodka, staying true to
every
his
day.
roots.
Yes,
uh,
go up with vodka, bro.
hmm?
Go up with vodka, you
Yeah,
know.
yeah, yeah.
You and me get milk for drinking, and they get,
We get breastfed and they get vodka.
yeah, yeah.
uh,
Go, my boy.
culture difference. So
But from one opinion, it's maybe great because the baby not gonna cry at moment, you
yeah,
know.
it's easier for him to sleep.
Yeah, it's easier. It's a good day nap, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I
Not healthy,
understand.
bro.
Hey, yeah. So I'm looking at German 30. Want to see what price does. Um, Usually German 30 at London Open. So for us that would be 9 o'clock in the morning. Um, it can open very aggressively for the impulsive entry. So I just have this this price marked up for maybe a break to the upside. So that's what I plan for German 30 right now. But I will notify if I enter. So I will only look for impulsive entry if price is about to break this zone, but only at 9 o'clock, because I know, or the chances are really high that if it does this at 9 o'clock, it will continue to the upside. So not looking to do this at 8 o'clock or 8:30 or 7:30. No, only at 9 o'clock. So if this happens before that time, I'm not entering. So just so you know.
That big candle, was that 9 o'clock? That breakout we saw,
No, this was 7:30. This usually don't happen at 7:30. This usually happens at 9 o'clock at London Open. So yeah, uh, like I said, if I am going to do that, it would be at 9 o'clock, which is you know the chance that this will happen and be successful is you have a higher chance of winning the trade. So yeah, only looking to enter a trade if it is a high probability and not a low probability. So no FOMO, man.
FOMOs.
Fuck FOMO.
What are the chances of Paris against Manchester City? Prediction about the match.
Yeah.
Paris,
Yeah.
Paris playing at home.
I don't follow neither of those two. I don't really follow any club. Um, so I don't really know who has the upper hand on paper. But if you look at the names at Paris Saint-Germain, you should say Paris Saint-Germain has a bigger chance of winning it. I think they are the Champions League winners of last year, right?
No, man.
I think Paris Saint-Germain won Champions League, yes. Not sure.
Yeah.
I watched maybe 2 games last year of the Champions League. Yeah, so to be honest, football, yeah, I'm not taking a real big interest in it anymore because I just don't have the time. I have other things to do. But yeah, it's always been my number one sport. So
Win the last Champions League.
who?
Chelsea.
Oh, Chelsea. Okay. Yeah, Chelsea. Damn.
Chelsea against Manchester City.
Okay. Yeah, well, that's good for England, right?
Yeah.
Right, I'm gonna wait out this 4-hour candle closes on all the pairs, but yeah, not really looking to enter a trade at this moment. GBP USD looking pretty strong, but yeah, all GBP pairs looking strong, man. Could see price reaching this area. Euro NCD, a strong bearish candle closure on the 4-hour, but you see a lot of wicks, a lot of rejection, man. It's ugly as shit, man. At least on the 4-hour. So German 30, yeah, I already explained German 30. Not gonna even explain gold and not even gonna do analysis on that fucking pair. I just like to watch it, so.
Still sleepy.
What?
Yeah, it's still sleepy, bro.
Yeah.
Zone.
So if you would have drawn this zone over here based on this resistance area and based on this candlestick closure, you should say okay, straight to the upside, but look at what price is doing now. So don't go too small on the time frames because you're gonna get fucked as well. Stay on the time frames, that works best for you. So I prefer to stay on the 30-minute time frame. Look for good confirmations. Yeah, German 30 definitely looking best pair to trade right now. So German 30 is
That's
like
the
a
only.
commodity, right?
Yeah. The DXY telling you.
Yeah, so DXY, let's look at the 4 hour. Definitely found some resistance over here. So yeah, it's turning bearish right now. Um, yeah, that's basically it, man. It is breaking structure, but DXY has been very choppy as well. Look, it's yeah. What the fuck?
That candlestick, that
This one,
bearish one.
this one. Yeah, this is news, man.
Oh,
I think this was
look,
the. Let me see. No, definitely not F1. I don't know, but looking at it, should have been some kind of news, because yeah, what the fuck
that
else would it be? Look at this shit, man.
candle.
Yeah, ugly as a motherfucker. Ugly as a motherfucker. God dang. Yeah, so GBP USD is fucking turning up, man.
And
Yeah, I'm just gonna have a close eye on German 30.
4 minutes to closure. Hmm. So Porto Liverpool today,
Yeah?
9 o'clock.
Nice.
Oh, also nice. Juventus Chelsea.
Nice.
Also,
Nice.
okay. 1 minute left. Boom. We're going to the moon.
Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, bro. Let's get it, bro.
Sir,
Let's get it, bro. Let's get it, bro.
that man.
Definitely lower lows, lower highs.
Look on the left side, good.
Hmm?
A wick, bullish wick break by the Euro NZD.
Yeah.
NZD, yes, yeah.
Like I said yesterday, it's a new pair for me, so I'm just gonna watch it a little bit, see how it moves.
We need to watch seeking the higher high.
Hi, hi.
Goes
So German 30 opened with a gap. God dang.
wakey wakey.
DXY. GBP USD still continue up. Yeah, everything. Fucking push during Asian session, man. Yeah, so let's wait. Keep waiting, keep waiting. Could've, should've, would've. You know what I mean, man.
Yo, what up?
Could've,
Days
should've,
and days.
would've.
What up? Shut up.
Could've, would've, should've. You know what it is.
Yeah, good trade, my friend.
Alright, I'll be back in a second. We're gonna get some coffee. Keep these people entertained. All right, just
Give me the
like
control.
just
Give me
like
the control.
Maximus. Are you not entertained? Ask for
Remote.
it. Yeah, ask for it.
Yes.
Approve. You got it. All right, be back in a second.
Your thing, bro. Like we said before, DXY looking good. This not that. German 30 looking also great. Scandal, it, bullish. Need to wait for opening of the. Let's see what happens. Found support. Need to happen in the morning when we hear that. That a valid trade. Zoning. Control is not so much, bro. Shot. Also bearish candlestick. We have future in 25 minutes. So, it will be. Is also looking bullish. We need to wait for the break of zone, goes above, or valid trade for us. The new pair that we are watching it. Wait, the troubleshooter of this, some resistance of it. So you can, yeah, for now. Retest trend. Minutes. Make a little like this. High. Above. Right. This. Here you got some resistance. You look at how many till here. 1,600. This count is a little bit different than the other pairs that we follow. By every broker is different. Count. A little bit fake out. If he was an impulsive trader, you was thinking, yes, he's gonna make a low. He has never make it low. He tested this zone. He break out. Now he's gonna look back. Just a little bit fake out. So welcome back.
Yo.
Get your coffee.
Yeah, man.
I was looking at this one, at the Euro NZD. He is a little bit making fake out.
Yeah.
We go inside the zone again.
Yeah, it's looking like that, right?
Look, he make him bullish. Look, German 30. retest on the higher high. Retest. We're gonna seek to the zone. If we break the zone, then it's a good trade for us, bro.
Yeah, let's look what it does.
I gave you the control.
All right. Yeah, do I have it?
The control, I
Yeah.
think. Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Yeah, GBP USD definitely respecting this area over here right now. Yeah. GBP GPY.
I have marked that zone for only explain that he creates some kind of zone. I think that he gonna seek for higher highs. You know.
Yeah, definitely could be a possibility.
Yeah.
Yeah, so your NCD entering the zone again. Did break the previous high in 30 minutes. So, yeah. So probably gonna test this area. Let's see if it rejects it and continue to the downside, or maybe just making a new higher low somewhere over here. So maybe making a higher low at the 50 SMA or at the 8
He look
SMA.
again for down.
Yeah, in conjunction with this area over here. So
He
maybe it's
go
gonna
still
tap over
going
here.
down. I think. Yeah.
Yeah, let's see.
How many minutes? 18 minutes left for the 30-minute closure.
Yes.
We got more confirmation about it.
Oh yeah, that's all we're looking for, man. Confirmation, confirmation, confirmation.
Making everything. Look, we got found some resistance.
Yeah. So your JPY definitely looking to break to the upside, man.
I think yes, bro. We test that area now. We make a little bit pullback. From the pullback, we break out. And we go to the moon.
To the moon, bye bye.
Yes, bro. I'm gonna taking some coffee for myself, and I
All right,
meet you in five minutes.
all right. Do your thing, bro. Let's see what we have over here. So a nice, yeah, 25 pip. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, we did have a 4 hour bullish closure. Um, yeah, so we could see price coming up to this zone over here. I do expect that to happen. So maybe we can get an entry over here. Let's see if this support area holds. Let's go to the 15 minute. Yeah. So price did break this lower high, but not this one. Yeah, don't really like those small zones, man. It can get very confusing, and definitely more high risk to enter. But they are tradable, so could be a nice little trade over there on GBP, GPY. If it starts breaking this high, we could potentially see a trade with, let's be safe, about a 12 pip stop loss. So this would be your 1-to-1, and overall TP could be 1-to-2, 2.2. Yeah, so let's see. It's looking nice though. So it would be safer to enter a little bit higher, somewhere over here. So yeah, definitely a valid trade. Yeah, definitely entering this trade right now. So this has 12 pip stop loss. And your TP is your 1-to-1, so that would be right. Let's go to risk management. Always lovely to do. Where will I be closing out 50% of my trades? Let's see. Yeah, so we definitely have a area over here. So here I will be closing half, and below this wick I will be closing another half. So very easy. Let's see what price is going to do. We did have a 4-hour bullish candle closure, already made a wick to the downside. Now we're looking to continue to the upside to maybe test this zone over here, which would be 1 to 2 risk reward. 30 minutes, we do continue to the upside, and we are breaking this resistance zone over here, which is better to see on a 15-minute. We already broke this high, so that tells me that price is ready to continue to the upside. Very easy. Yeah, risk management already planned. Now let's see what will happen. I'm gonna stay on a 15-minute time frame. The only thing I don't like is we don't have a wick over here, so let's see. But yeah, closing half very quick, so let's look at some other pairs, what they're doing. To the 30 minutes, your JPY, your NCD, yeah, definitely entering that range. Let's keep a close eye on GBP, JPY. Yeah, so risk management always most important aspect of trading. Whatever you do, always make sure that your risk management is on point. It doesn't matter if you're winning 20 trades, 30 trades, 40 trades, or one trade. Your risk management should always be your first concern. So, yeah, definitely look for that first. Your risk management. Yeah, so we just entered a trade, Freddy, on GBP GPY. So if you look at the 4 hour, yeah, so the 4 hour candle closed very bullish, indicating a lot of strength to the upside. We did make this lower wick inside this 4 hour, and now breaking to the continue a break to the upside. If you look at the 30-minute, this structure that you just this zone that you just marked up, yeah, it's looking great. We do have this wick also, so some kind of retest. Zone on a 15-minute also valid, so definitely a valid trade to take to continue to the upside. So very nice setup.
How many pips you are looking for?
Yeah,
to the
so
TP?
the 1-to-1 is a 12.4 pip TP.
Yeah, okay, nice.
Yeah, so yeah, overall TP should be at 52.75. But yeah, we're definitely taking 80% off the trade once we reach our 1-to-1. I already marked up this area, where I will be closing half. So, and this is where I will be closing the other half. If you look at the 15-minute, this is the reason why price is coming back in this zone that it previously rejected. So if price is coming back, it could be an indication that price is still isn't ready to break out to the upside, and this is our, yeah, you could say, final support zone. If it breaks that one, yeah, definitely want to be out for another 50%. So yeah, let's see what happens.
How
Decided
the German 30 looking now?
German 30 hasn't been
Yeah,
doing much,
still inside.
but
Yeah.
yeah, really looking to focus on GBP GPY at the moment because that's our live trade. So also what you can see is higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher
Yeah.
low, and now creating a higher high. So
Yes. Let's see, bro.
yeah, let's wait.
Took some coffee.
Nice.
Yeah. Put a little bit sugar in it. You drink your coffee with sugar or not? No sugars?
No, no, I drink it with something else. It's like artificial sugar.
Oh, artificial sugar.
Yeah,
Oh, okay, okay. I
yeah,
know. That
yeah,
is that little one. That
yeah. The small tablets.
small tablets. Yeah.
Uh,
No, I don't like that, man. That's gonna make the coffee a little bit, yeah,
you like it?
too tasty,
You don't like the taste of it?
too sweet. They
Yeah.
make for me. I have
Uh,
tried it before, you know.
yeah,
But
yeah. It's you have to get used to it. If you use it for, let's say, a week, yeah, then you probably get used to it and it's all good. But some people, yeah, they just don't like it. So
yeah, normal old sugar, you know.
yeah, 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 yeah,
Also, I'm not liking that squares, you know, that pressed squares,
yeah,
you
yeah.
know, that
I understand.
powder. Push it to the limit.
Push it to the
Outside.
limit. Push it to the top. Let's go to the 50 minutes so we can have a better look at price. Now, let's see. I would like to see on the 30-minute price staying above the previous 30-minute candle closure,
Closer
and definitely,
outside the zone, it will be nice.
yeah, would be nice. So this
Yeah.
was this was the zone actually. Yeah. Let's see.
What the price does? I'm gonna buy after this session that microphone headset.
Yeah, definitely.
You know, yeah, definitely. But
Yeah,
this one is nothing, bro.
yeah.
That's
His time has run out. So we're gonna have a candle closure of the 30 minute within the next 1 minute. So yeah, let's see. But price is looking to come back down, so get ready.
I'm gonna for 8:15 going to somewhere else. I'm back in 15 minutes. Yes.
Yeah, no problem.
I wanna let you know. You know.
No problemo.
Lemon. Bro, blow it. Boom.
Yeah, so on the 50-minute we did make a wick on the candlestick on the downside, so I like that. At least that we got that one out of the way. Let's see how the 30-minute candle closure is. did close good. Let's see how it reacts. So for me, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna adjust my stop loss to this level over here, because this is the previous higher low and price should not be able to reach this level again. So the new stop loss level is 152.398. So my son is waking up right now. He sounds like a little puppy, man. It's like a
Still
little
sleepy.
yeah, it's like a little puppy waking up.
He's still sleepy, I think.
Yeah. Great stuff, bro. Great stuff. Yeah, so adjusting this over here.
Close half. What you doing?
Yeah, at 152.437, but you know, just update it when price reaches that. So just send a message to close half, so everything is more clear.
Looking good. We close it above the zone what we are looking for.
Yeah, so price did close above the zone on the 30 minute, definitely on the 15 minute as well, as you can see. Not by much, but by enough. And price, I want to see price breaking this high. So let me see. I want to see price break this high. This is your new resistance area. So price needs to break this within the next 15 minutes. So let's see. Yo, sorry man, I just had my mic turned off.
Okay.
Yeah, my wife is screaming. Oh, she's just sitting there in the corner. She's watching me, man.
What are you
I'm terrified,
doing?
man. I'm terrified. It's really scaring me. You know, my wife is from Colombia, right?
I know, bro.
Yeah, so yeah, do I need to say any more?
I think
That's enough, right?
that's enough.
That's enough. Enough.
That's enough, bro.
Yeah, I know.
The limit. The market open of the London is in about in a half hour.
No, London session opens in 1.5 hours.
Okay, 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. 9 o'clock European time.
European.
Yes.
Hey, you're looking great. He seeks the higher high. Push.
Yeah, man. So I told you last week I rented a car, right? And I got like a receipt with some basic information about the car. and it says uh, at time of, how you call it, the time I left with the truck, with the van, the well, yeah, let's say the mileage was at, on the on the dashboard it said 150, what was it, 50, 57, 157,000 um, 891. But here on the receipt I have
Yeah.
the mileage at 153, so that's a 40,000 mileage difference. So I guess according to them I drove like 40,000 miles within 24 hours.
40,000, bro.
Yeah. I had to make a deposit of 400 euros, and now I have to pay an extra 5,000 euros for the mileage.
Oh.
I already told them yesterday. I called them and they said, no, don't worry, we have a black box in the car. So I only drove like 84 miles. So they should give me money instead of me giving them money.
Thinking, what happened, bro? You went to
Yeah,
Turkey or
yeah.
something.
I drove to the whole of Europe within 24
All
hours.
of Europe.
Yeah.
Yeah, very nice.
So if you calculate 40,000 miles and then divide it by 24 hours, how much is that? Like 12, no, like 3,000 kilometers an hour.
Very nice. I think the fastest car,
Yeah, fastest car ever
you know?
produced.
Yeah, the fast. And you got a van, huh? You
Yeah,
got
yeah,
a
it's
van
it's
also.
it's diesel. It's not even gasoline. It's diesel. So
I think
diesel,
it's diesel. They got more.
turbocharged and everything.
Yeah, diesel got more torque,
Wait, I have to kick my son's ass.
Diesel got more torque.
Yeah, so my daughter just came upstairs. I gave her a hug. And that was my son. He's the big one.
Oui.
Everybody say hi to my son. Hi, Kedelientje.
Kaden,
Yeah, he's getting famous on YouTube, man. Kedelientje is getting famous on YouTube.
Kaden, my friend, man. Don't
Yeah.
make a joke of him, man.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Trouble with me.
Yeah, you're right.
Uh, also like fishing, huh?
Yeah, he fishes every day, man.
Yeah.
Becoming a problem.
Last time he went hours outside, go to fish, bro.
Bro, this guy, he wants to leave like 5 o'clock in the morning, right? But I don't allow him to leave that early. So
Yeah,
um, I let him leave like 7 o'clock in the morning.
yeah.
So
Last time.
7 o'clock he is outside, all right? But this guy, he goes outside to fish with everything, all his stuff, and you don't see him until like freaking 9 o'clock at night, man. He doesn't even come home to eat nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing,
What
man.
he
You know what he does?
what he eat
No,
outside?
you know
What
what he
he's gonna
does?
eat out?
No, listen.
Yeah.
You know what he does? He calls me up and he's asking me for him to bring his food. so so I'm like his private food service company, you
Yeah,
know? Yeah.
food delivery.
Yeah, food delivery service. So his mother has to make food and I have to bring it, you know?
Yeah.
He doesn't even tip me. I don't get paid nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Little bit tip of 2 euros or
nothing,
something like that.
nothing.
No.
Just thank you, bye. That's it.
You, no cheap.
That's it.
Go.
Just thank you, bye. All right, see you later. Okay, all right. Thank you.
Yeah, bro.
Now I might have
I was
to.
asking this same thing to my father. My father, he reject the call. You know, he say, "What the fuck are you doing?" Yeah,
Go get your own food.
you get your own food, man.
Yeah, yeah.
That is the old generation. You know, this thinking.
I don't mind, man. I prefer him go fishing instead of
Yeah, yeah, it's
stealing
nice.
bikes or
It's nice.
whatever. Something he likes to do. I'm gonna greet my other son. Yeah, so my other son, the puppy, the Chihuahua, he just yeah. I had to say hello to him as well.
Yeah. Yes, bro.
Come on, come on, GPP, GPY. It's taking forever.
How the other pairs looking, bro? Can you show the chart for us?
Yeah, a second.
This one we know. Thing.
Let me see, 30 minutes. Yeah, so this is your GBP USD. So GBP
Support
USD
them.
is rejecting this area over here.
Yeah.
So yeah, you could say if price does break this area, because it's pretty strong, should be a good indication for price to continue to the upside and also breaking this area.
How many is between that zone, bro? Can you calculate with your?
So I would calculate it at the break of this wick,
How much is
depending on
that
how
from
this
there?
candle closure looks like. But just to be safe from this wick, yeah, it's only a small 4 pips. So yeah, fuck that. But
No, I was only curious about how much to make till the other zone. You know?
yeah, definitely important. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So your JPY also going to the upside. Yeah, it kind of moves the same like GBP JPY. So
Normally.
your USD is stuck over here. You could see
Fake out.
yeah, fake out break of this resistance area over here. You could see a move back inside this area. Yeah, but you do have resistance over here. Yeah, price is pretty ugly at the moment, so yeah, definitely staying away from that. But after a bullish candle closure over here, you could see price continue to this zone, this area. Okay,
German.
it's German 30. Yeah, German 30 is just, I guess,
The retest.
German 30 is waiting or for I think for London Open to make his big move. Could be either way. A gold, yeah, gold breaking to the downside. Yeah, whatever.
It's another land.
Yeah, so GBP GPY back to entry. Yeah, let's see. We did adjust our stop loss.
Yeah.
Yeah, price shouldn't come back inside. If it does, closing half over here. Because if it would break this low, I expect price to yeah, to close back inside this area and possibly make a retracement after this big bullish move. So, but for now, price the trade is still valid. We did break this high. We get a candle closure within 20 seconds on the 15-minute. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. But definitely don't want to see price entering this range again. Man, I wish I was like 12 years again, man. When you're young, when
Yeah,
that young, you just have to go to school, do your freaking homework. Okay, that's fucking boring, but yeah, anyway. And you can do whatever you want, man. You can play outside, play soccer, go fishing, do whatever you want, you know. But
everything.
now we're adults. We are parents. We have children. We have responsibilities, bills to pay. Man, when life gets serious, life gets boring, right?
That is normal, bro.
Yeah, I know. I know. Okay, let's keep a close eye on this 15-minute candle. So the 30-minute candle still looking bullish. Let's see. Let's see.
Let's see what he does.
Yeah.
To the moon, to the high.
So for now, I'm just gonna manage my trade on my phone. Yeah. So if price reaches this level, just send a message, send an update to close half. For the people that are watching, this level is where you would be closing half of your position. We already adjusted our stop loss by about 5 pips, so decreased our risk. Yeah, so we'll be back in a few minutes. So price still looking pretty good. Let's look on the 15-minute. Yeah, so making a wick, did make a wick. Let's see how it closes. Always looking to adjust my risk management. So let's say price closes like this, maybe a little bit more to the upside. I will be adjusting my 50% closure below this wick, just to adjust my my risk management. So let's look at some other pairs. Yeah, GBP USD, like I said, respecting this area over here. Euro JPY, yeah, making those nice bullish moves. Good indication for GBP JPY. So Euro NCD, definitely a small zone created at this moment. German 30, yeah, it's looking to break to the upside. Maybe we get a impulsive move in 6 minutes, just like yesterday we did get it at, yeah, so 7:30 in the morning, so a little bit earlier than usual. If German 30 breaks to the upside, usually GBP, JPY and EJ follows. So yeah, would be nice to see that happening. Gold, I don't trade it. It's just fun to watch. Doing all this could break this zone over here. And if it does, we could see a continuation to the downside, maybe to, yeah, we do have a lot of wicks, so definitely a pretty risky setup, but price could come test this area and test this wick. So if you look at the 30-minute, yeah, definitely could fill this wick over here, react to this one, fill it, maybe continue a break to the downside and test this area over here. So that's for gold. But you need to get candle closure, something like this, with a little retest and then continuation to the downside. We are making lower highs, lower low, lower highs, and maybe a lower low within this this session. So let's see. But for me, right now, we are in the GBP JPY trade, so I prefer taking one position at a time, just to decrease my risk. Yeah, so I'm just looking for this trade to play out in my favor. Would like to see a candle closure above this high. If we get we also get a 1 hour candle closure within the next 3 minutes, so would be nice to get a candle closure over here. Let's see. If I look at German 30, I think it's breaking out. No, not ready. No, not yet. So we have like a little bit over 2 minutes left. So for now I'm gonna adjust, let me see. Yeah, let's wait this 1 hour candle closure. So I'm expecting a move within 2 minutes. So I will be putting my stop loss to break even after this kind of closure. Let's see. I will decide. Let me see how the candle closes. So what I like to do is, based on what price is telling me, I like to react to what price is telling me for my risk management. So if I look at this current candle, which still has 1 minute left, if it closes something like this, I don't like to see price coming back to our entry. So probably what I will be doing is close half if it does come back to our entry, because price shouldn't come back to our entry price at the moment. It should just continue to the upside. But if it does, you know, it could very well be a fake out. But I don't expect that to happen. So yeah, if it does close like this, we do have a zone created over here with this wick, so it's probably a good sign usually, but we'll see. Let's look at German 30. Yeah, German 30 breaking out, so let's see. Expect German 30 to just explode to the upside. Let's see what GBP is doing. Nice 30-minute candle closure, 15-minute candle closure, 1 hour candle closure. German 30 probably, no, not yet. Yeah, so putting stops at break even. Yeah, so stops are at break even. So when we reach our 1-to-1, I will be closing 80% of the trade. What's up, brother? I already put stop loss to break even.
I'm back. Yeah.
Yes.
Do you adjust the message?
Yeah, I did. So when we reach our 1-to-1, I will be closing 80% of the trade. So right now we are like 5 pips away. Price is still looking good. We had a nice 1 hour candle closure. 30-minute candle closure, also very bullish. Let me just remove this and remove this. Yeah, so automatically the 15-minute candle closure also looking very good. Yeah, so price should continue to the upside. German 30, yeah, we're getting our impulsive breakout at the moment. You could say it is a valid entry when you could take in this entry over here, but because we are in a JPY trade, I prefer to stay out of another trade and just manage the one that we're in, just to have a bit better risk management. The goal is to
German 30 again, bro.
this is the German 30. German 30 should continue at least to this wick, because we do have a zone over here, resistance zone. Price reacted to that over here, and maybe then a continuation to the upside. So, but I
Look
expect
at the 30-minute, bro. Nice.
yes.
Also good. Just where you mark, you know.
Just a second.
That
I'm closing 80% of the trade right now. And leaving 20% running to the TP. So let's see. So nice trade. Let's look at German 30. German 30, yeah, would be great for German 30 to continue to the upside. But usually, if price is stalling like this, um, it isn't ready 100%. So not saying it will reverse, but yeah, if German 30 breaks, it usually breaks with a lot of how you call it, a lot of speed, if you want to call it like that. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, so if you look at your NCD did formed support and resistance over here. So we do have a 30-minute zone, which is great. Now, if you look at this candlestick, this bearish one, same setup as yesterday, right? Our GBP USD trade. Price didn't close over here below. Now price did make a breakout, but entering the zone again. So probably price will reverse to the high of the zone, and yeah, react to that, maybe to the upside, maybe a break to the downside. But yeah, now you can see how important it is to for the candle closures to close at the right area. Yeah, GBP GPY about to be stopped out at break even, so yeah, good decision to close 80% of the trade. Good decision. Yeah, I guess German 30 isn't ready to break out.
Hold it.
Yeah, so it just got stopped out at break even. Definitely a good trade. Did manage to get a good, let me see, 9 pips. So yeah, beautiful trade, beautiful scalp.
Very nice, bro.
Yes, very nice. You can see volume coming in at the Hamburg open. So price is reversing, making its correction. We did enter at the right time, at the break of this high. Yeah, so we did grab our pips. Yeah, great trade. So look at GBP USD.
Big applause.
GBP USD. Yeah, definitely going crazy right now. What's the DXY going up? Gold. Yeah. So nice trade. Beautiful. So definitely that this was the trade for London session. Um, yeah,
Good trade, bro.
yeah, it was a nice trade.
Retracement.
Too bad we got this breakout during Asian session because otherwise we would have
Uh,
been getting a lot of more pips. But yeah, great trade nevertheless. So
uh, look,
yeah,
look, look, look.
good stuff. Look at German 30 reversing back. So definitely something happening over here, man. Yeah.
Euro news, something like this.
I don't know. No, it doesn't have to be news. You know, market does whatever he wants.
Be considering like in fake out or
Yeah, could be a fake
a
out,
fake
but
out.
it's, you know, price should continue to the upside.
Yeah, yeah.
If you look at this
Like
structure over
this.
here,
Yes.
it doesn't mean it will happen all the time. Uh,
No.
it's a probability game, you know. Uh, win rate is about 80 to 90%. So we do have that 20 to 10% where trades will be going wrong. This could be one of them. So let's say I would have taken an impulsive entry. Definitely would have put my stop loss at the low of this candle. So
Yeah.
uh, this would have been your 1 to 1. So yeah, because of this candle, this is definitely a valid trade that we would have taken. We are lucky we were in the GPP GPY trade, so we didn't took this trade. Yeah, sometimes luck is also part of the game.
I think I think it's still also still valid. You know, if
Ah,
he
the trade is still valid, unless it breaks this low.
break
The,
that low, then it's not.
then for me it's not valid anymore. Then for me price will at least retest this support area over here, and if it breaks this support area, it will retest this area over here. But for now, this is still a valid trade. Um, Also on the 15-minute time frame. So for the 15-minute time frame, I would be definitely looking for price not to break this candle. Uh,
Coming.
so there would be my first 50% that I would take out. And if price breaks this low, um, probably you're gonna see price making yeah, making a low to this area after breaking this zone. So yeah, on the lower time frames, you do have a lot of more zones, support and resistance areas. But for a scalper, they are extremely important. In my eyes, the way I use it, the way I read the charts, these areas are very important for my risk management.
Yeah.
That's why I adjust my stop losses very quickly to what price is doing, and my 50% closures as well. So yeah.
So I need to go for now for 15 minutes and be back.
All right, bro.
Yeah, I see you in 50 minutes, bro.
Do your thing.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. So what I expect, price is I think price will start to consolidate. Um, Maybe within the next 45 minutes. Maybe it already started, but because we did have a big move during Asian session, so price could start to consolidate below this 4-hour candle closure on GBP GPY. Yeah, so we could create a zone over here. Price could get stuck, maybe a little bit bigger, maybe somewhere over here. Start to consolidate, and maybe at the pre-New York session, price could continue to start getting volume back and pick a direction to the upside or to the downside. Usually, yeah, so around 9 o'clock, 9:30 European time, price will start to consolidate. I do expect it to happen a little earlier because of the big move we had during Asian session. So yeah, definitely not looking to enter a trade at this moment. I'm gonna stay live for a little bit longer, but yeah, not looking for any setups at the moment. We did have a nice trade. For my risk management rules, my trading plan also includes one trade at a time. So one position open at a time. And if I do get a position during London session, whether it's a profitable one or losing one, I will keep it at that for one position during that session, and I will come back for the New York session to maybe look for another setup. But because we already had a great trade this session, I'm not gonna force any trades during New York session. So yeah, great trade everyone. Yeah, I did give an analysis why we entered the trade. So. And as you can see, I did take the trade with the trend, so it makes it a lot easier for price to reach your target or continue in the direction that you took the trade. It's much easier for price to do what you expect it to do based on what you see. So yeah, definitely looking to trade with the trend, preferably. Yeah, so GBP USD, yeah, I'm not sure, man. GBP USD has been very choppy at the beginning of the week. Look at this price action over here, man. This is where you get fucked. It's not where you want to be in a position, man. If you look over here, you get a break of this area. You get a break. You get a price entering back inside that zone, going back up, going back. You know, it's messy as hell, man. Also over here, you want to see something like, let's say something like this or something like this. You know, price is just making high highs, high lows. You know, clear structure. This is not clear structure. It is making lower lows and lower highs, but these wicks are just too much. It's too much. You don't want to trade stuff like that. It has to be clean. It has to look clean. It has to look simple. The cleaner and the simpler it looks, the easier trades will be. Definitely. Because price can wick you out at any second. Enter back in the range, wick you out. Continue back to the upside or to the downside, wherever position you took, leaving you with a loss and eventually hitting your TP. So yeah, it would affect your psychology as well, man. If you lose trades like this, if you lose trades like that. So oh, look at gold, man. Gold definitely breaking to the downside. So whoa. What's happening? What's happening? does that look like on a 5 minute? Damn. Gold, 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 gold. Yeah. Yeah, so after closing below this wick, or at least closing below this zone over here, price should test this area. I expect it to do it very quickly. And normally you can see an immediate reaction after entering a zone, entering an area. Reaction to the upside, and then maybe very aggressively continue to break to the downside. Yeah. Yeah, look at German 30. So yesterday I explained German 30 is definitely a pair that you could trade with an impulsive entry. But yeah, no trading style is 100% profitable, so you have to calculate your losses. The way you do that is by applying good risk management, always. Yeah, big reversal, man. Definitely some moves in the market at the moment. For Euro NCD, we're gonna have a candle closure within the next 5 minutes. Yeah, price is choppy. Let's look at the 15 minutes. Yeah, so definitely a valid zone over here. Looking at it, definitely high risk if you get a break of a closure above this area, but maybe a retest continuation to the upside. But yeah, look at this, we're making lower highs, lower lows, so definitely not a trade to take, man, based on my rules. But price does seems to want to break out to the upside, but when we came over here, price did seem to want to break to the downside. So yeah, very choppy shit, man. Yeah, and GBP USD, yeah, nothing much to say about that, man. Did catch the beautiful GJ trade, got out at the right time. Yeah, price reversing right now, making its correction. Same goes for EJ, following German 30, following GBY. Yeah, so those three, they correlate a lot. Definitely something to keep in mind. Yeah, that's the move. That's the move. Gold also. Fucking look, break of this week. Definitely gonna test this area over here. Let's see where price could end up if it breaks this low. Definitely gonna go to the daily time frame for that. Yeah. So if we get a daily closure below this zone over here, price will probably continue to the downside. Testing maybe, yeah, definitely see it testing this area over here long term. I think maybe this week, knowing how fast gold can move, this could be let's see, yeah, so 570 pip move. Yeah, it's crazy, man, it's crazy. Gold is insane. Man, I tell you, if you know how to trade gold, man, huh, you're gonna make a lot of money, man. A lot of money. You have to be, if you want to trade gold, if you want to learn how to trade gold, be prepared to put a lot of work in it, because in my opinion, at least for me, it's a lot more difficult to trade gold than, let's say, GBP, JPY. Um, but yeah, gold definitely has a nice structure, but your stop losses will be a lot bigger. Price moves a lot faster. It's being manipulated a lot. So right now, gold is following the DXY, but I have seen over the past 3 weeks, I have seen gold doing the same. So when the DXY would go up, gold should go down. I have seen gold going up with the DXY, going down with the DXY. So right there, price is being manipulated. I did notice. So I guess it was around, yeah, this price action over here. The DXY was going up and gold was also going up, but I guess price needed to retest this level over here before price could go to the downside. So I guess price was being pushed up to the upside to collect the orders and then make its way to the downside. So I guess that's some a way that gold works. So yeah, price definitely being manipulated by the big banks and institutions, because they need their orders to be filled, and yeah, so price needs to reach a certain area before continuing the right way. So yeah, so we just had a 30-minute candle closure. We can see Euro NCD did break out of this small range to the upside. Right now price is looking to continue to the upside. Current candle doesn't have a wick, so ideally price should come back down, probably make a retest of this zone and then flip to the upside. So you could get an entry at the flip of this candle if you're looking to trade this pair. But just keep in mind, we do have this area over here, we have these wicks, but yeah, and as you can see, Euro NCD also makes big wicks, so just keep that in mind. So yeah, I'm gonna close this this live stream within a few minutes. I will be back for the New York session. It will start around 12 o'clock European time. So pre-New York I will be here. Would like to see you guys coming back and possibly entering another position. But yeah, like I said, only looking to enter if there's a high probability setup, especially if we did have a great trade. Why risk losing your profits on a setup that could be high risk? So yeah, definitely see you guys at the pre-New York. Have a good one. Bye.